Good evening, friends. Happy Saturday to all of you. So, friends, I've got awesome news. Once again, stimulus checks will finally begin to go out to millions of Americans, and new guaranteed income programs have just been established to help inflation pressure for millions of American families. This could mean monthly relief payments that would be automatically deposited. My dear friends, please make sure that you all watch until the end of this video to learn if you are eligible to receive this relief. And to say thank you for watching my videos every day, I'm giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. Please enter the giveaways by clicking and liking several of my videos and then commenting below the keyword of each video that you watch. Friends, the more videos that you watch and then leave a comment on, the greater your chance of winning the giveaways.
Someone from the White House earlier bragging about how the oil has dropped. I mean, that is the Washington way. Not talk about how it was a couple of years ago at 17. Talk about how it's dropped from over $110 down to 95. Madam Speaker, we need to turn the spigots back on. We need to get back in the oil business. The oil and gas companies have these. We've been told that they've got the permits. And then they boast about that they're not drilling because of it. The truth is, Madam Speaker, is not enough pipelines have been permitted to move the product. If they get it, there's nowhere for it to go. There's no storage.
The financial upheaval caused by the crisis for millions of Americans is spurring a rise in support for guaranteed income programs. This relief form has proved highly effective in helping people navigate during economic crisis. Guaranteed income programs have launched in 40 U.S. cities across the country, under which individuals and families who are living near the poverty threshold receive monthly stipends that they can spend however they choose. Michael Tubbs, formerly the mayor of Stockton, California, and founder of Mayors for a Guaranteed Income, has told reporters, "The crisis really showed people the existing economic arrangement was not enough, with folks not being able to get to work because their businesses were shut down. It showed a guaranteed income is a form of economic resilience and a smart crisis response. Such programs are sprouting up as the economic fallout from the crisis shuttered millions of businesses, lost jobs, and diminished income. It is now being exacerbated for many Americans by soaring food, housing, utility, and many other costs. Government programs designed to buoy struggling Americans during the first phase of the crisis included federal stimulus checks and expanded child tax credits for parents in the form of monthly cash payments. For example, stimulus payments provided to most low and middle income Americans put cash in people's pockets and reduced financial hardship, while also providing a lifeline for the broader economy as consumers boosted their spending. New York City's first guaranteed income program, which is called the Bridge Project, enrolled low-income mothers who began receiving monthly payments of either $500 or $1,000. The payments will continue for 3 years. Those who live in Evanston, Illinois, have just 7 more days to sign up for a basic income program that will provide $500 a month for 1 year. The program will start shortly after the deadline on August 29, 2022. Those who apply to the program must be between the ages of 18 and 24, older than 62 years old, or be undocumented community members. They must also be below or at 250% of the poverty line. The pilot program will use $700,000 from the 2021 American Rescue Plan. So friends, what are your thoughts on these guaranteed income programs? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Friends, the keyword for this video is cranberry. If you would like to enter today's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos and then comment below this keyword, which is cranberry, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And friends, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. The latest consumer and producer price data presented key evidence that inflation is somewhat easing. But the one key inflation read for the Federal Reserve that has not cooled off, that is wage growth. While recent CPI came in lower than expectations, the latest jobs report and wage growth data remain very hot. The good part of the recent jobs data is the suggestion that maybe the economy can avoid a recession. We know the Fed is watching wage growth closely, but several top officials have said maintaining wage growth at a level that allows Americans to outpace inflation is the goal. And the Fed has not yet indicated it believes a wage price spiral is in the evidence. According to economists, outside the hot wage growth number, one reason the overall hires were so high in July is because it is getting easier for firms to find people on board. America's hiring boom continued last month as employers added a surprising 528,000 jobs, despite raging inflation and rising anxiety about a recession. July's hiring was up from 398,000 in June. The unemployment rate slipped to 3.5%. The U.S. economy shrank in the first 2 quarters of 2022. But most economists believe that the strong jobs market has kept the economy from slipping into a downturn. The Labor Department reported this week that employers posted 10.7 million job openings in June, which is a healthy number, but the lowest since September. White House Press Secretary Karine Jean-Pierre said the administration expects the pace of hiring to fall further in the coming months because the unemployment rate is already near historic lows and fewer potential workers are available. A slower pace of hiring and reduced levels of wage growth could also suggest that inflationary pressures are easing, but has the White House attempting to convince the American public that less growth is a positive. This comes at a moment when Republican lawmakers are saying that a recession has already started. So friends, what are your thoughts on this? How do you think the economy is really doing? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Well, my amazing and beautiful friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very, very much for joining me here today. I greatly appreciate every single one of you who are watching my videos. And to say thank you, I'll be announcing a winner in a video later today. So please stay tuned for that video. Thank you, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed evening.